Oh, yeah, baby. Welcome to Chef Bourque Hazy Kitchen. Hot dang. Hey, look here. 2018, Chef. We're over here at Palmetto Island State Park for the fundraiser with the Friends of Palmetto Island State Park. Hey, what they got today, we got some pork steak dinners, pork steak plate lunches. And hey, I tell you what, people's already gathering around because they want this. It is so good every year, it's just getting better, Chef. Chef Bourque, I'm going to talk with you later. Oh, yeah, baby. Have a good one, Chef. Friends of Palmetto Island State Park, Abbeville, Louisiana. Hey, we're over here trying to get everything together. We're putting plate lunches together at this time. Oh, yeah. Oh, they putting them together. Awesome. What you say, colleague?
Hey, how are you? Good morning.
Good morning. The assembly line's working right now. Look at the pork sticks. Getting them pork steaks together.
Need beans?
Rice dressing.
Hey, you just woke up?
Just woke up, partner. Look at that. That's the main chef over there. Hot dang.
Get a little sweat, y'all.
Hey, Robbie. Yeah, got to get sweat out of my eyes. Oh, they're mixing up that rice dressing. Lord. Hey, Butch.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, Bud. Oh, you got it, man. This is Butch Mo, Robbie Mo. They're getting it together.
Make a rabbit hug a hound.
I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you, man.
Hey, Leo.
Boy, everybody's working diligently out here. Diligently. What y'all see? Get that sign back there. Don't forget the green onions.
That's right. I got a t-shirt too that my friends in Market City made for me. I got a t-shirt. Just like a flip.
All right, like that. Oh, I tell you what, man, that smells good, boss. Dang. Green onions?
Not yet. Put some though.
Ready? Yeah, don't forget green onions, man. Green onions
on the back of the truck. Green onions.
Well, that's beans, baby. That is beans, baby. Well, they got the beans. Look at the beans. And everybody working diligently out here. What, Miss Menard?
Hey, how you doing?
Hey, Shaq. James sent you something. That's Mr. Danny Moe. What you said, Danny Moe?
Hey. How y'all doing?
We doing good.
I'm the plate man.
This is the plate man today. What you say, bud?
Ain't saying much.
Hot dang.
Saw the new addition? Yeah, look, the new burner. The new burner.
Yeah, man, got a new burner, man.
Bought that at Gary Mott's in Rain.
Where you got that?
Gary Mott's in Rain.
Gary Mott in Rain.
Yes, sir.
Man, this is nice. I love that. Got wheels on that.
Got a big
Got some brakes on that.
Oh, it got four-wheel drive.
Four-wheel drive, baby. What you want better than that? Tell them Robbie Moe sent you.
I can't let it go over 60 though, the wheels start shaking.
Can't do over 60 because then the wheels start shaking. Hot dang.
Truck gets stuck. I can see the truck getting stuck and go with the bar and try to pull it off.
Well, you guys got it together, boy. Let me tell you what.
Got the forward lever right here, and that's reverse over there.
Yeah, man, I see forward and reverse.
Engineering, bro.
Hey, Gary Mott, you did it, partner. This is awesome.
Oh, only about $300.
Not a bad price, $300.
That's lifetime. The only thing you have to change out is maybe the holes in the burn after.
I wish I knew how what BTU the burner was.
That is nice. Go for it.
Good morning. I'm Sammy Babineau. I'm Vice President of Friends of Palmetto. We're having our annual plate lunch sale this morning. Last night at midnight we started cooking. We cooked 1,100 pork steaks last night. Right now we're making plate lunches, trying to serve all the hungry people in Vermilion Parish. We sure appreciate all the help that y'all give us and the support that we get from all y'all and all our volunteers. Really helps us out. We have dedicated volunteers that's here at 5 o'clock in the morning to put these lunches together so y'all can have a good lunch for dinner. And we sure thank y'all for supporting us.
Hey, Sammy, tell me something, man. How many steaks y'all cooked last night?
We cooked 1,100 pork steaks last night.
And that started right after midnight.
Right at midnight.
Straight on through.
Right at midnight. I think it was like 10 minutes after when we put the first one on, and finished at 5:10 this morning.
Terrific, terrific, man. I tell you what, this place smells awesome, 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 man. Hey, thanks, guy. I appreciate it.
Well, he said that
Oh, I tell you what. This is an assembly line. These folks out here have been spent the night. Most of them spent the night out here. Just, you know, help doing everything they can to help get all this set up and prepared for this great big event. This is an awesome fundraiser. And I can't wait for next year's fundraiser. I tell you what, this is good. There's Mr. Leo Tucker. What you say, Leo? Good. You go, bud. You taking the sweat out your eyes yet? About a 20-gallon pot?
This is 25.
That's a third. 25, all right. Putting the rice in right now, Jack.
Got a 20, 25, and a 30.
Oh, okay. So this is the 25-gallon pot right here.
Yeah.
That's the 30-gallon pot you got going on over there. Okay. Putting the rice in. You wonder what they'll be doing there around here getting preparation. Listen, you got a lot of rice to mix. You got a lot of stock to mix.
The 110 pounds of raw rice cooked.
110 pounds of raw rice cooked, yeah. Now that's a lot of rice. But us Cajun boys, look, we know how to put this stuff together now. Hot damn. Y'all ever don't have anything to do the second Saturday of the month? Come to Palmetto Island State Park out here and meet the Latanier Cookers. Come get a taste of their food. Once you take a taste, hey, you be buying your camper wanting to move over here.
if it ain't good, butch cook.
That's it. If it ain't no good, butch cooked it. If it's the best, Robbie say he cooked it. If it's really damn good, then I cooked it.
I heard about them band-aids, but I ain't never had them.
Hey, man. Listen, man, my beignets stick to your ribs. All right, putting some rice in the 30-gallon pot, Jack. That's where it's at, you know. There's Danny Moe. Danny Moe putting the green onions in. You go, Danny.
Don't forget the green onions.
Don't forget the green onions. We got some awesome volunteers out here.
Good morning. I'm James Menard. I do volunteer work here at the park, mowing all the grounds, and we're having a big fundraiser today. It smells good. Come on down and get some.
All right, thank you, James.
You're
All right,
welcome.
and this is where they're going to be handing out the plate lunches. All you got to do is drive up, show a ticket, and do your thing. Hi, ladies. How y'all doing?
Hey, Chef Bourque.
Terrific, terrific. Y'all ready for this, huh?
Yes, sir.
All right, all right. Well, look at this. Man, you tell me they don't have some plate lunches. Ooh, yeah, baby. Hot dang. What you say, fella?
Oh, not too
You ready, huh?
Oh, yeah.
All right. Oh, it feels strange not to see y'all cooking right now.
Yep.
Oh, boy. Oh, yeah. And this is going to be the sweets. Let me tell you what y'all say? How y'all doing, ladies?
Doing good.
Terrific, terrific, terrific.
good.
Well, y'all got all kinds of goodies out here,
Got
huh?
all kind of stuff.
Great, great,
He
great.
videos and he puts it on Facebook.
So after people pick up their plate lunches, they can
Yes,
drop in
that's
here and
exactly
pick up a cake or just whatever.
Bread pudding, tarts.
Bread pudding. Oh, I love
Fig
bread
cakes.
pudding. Hot dang. Boy, it all looks so good. Let me tell you what. Man. And this the 2018 event. I can't wait to 2019. Man, it's going to get to do it again. Look at that fig cake with the glaze. Ooh, I love my figs. Rum, bread pudding. Chocolate pecan bread pudding. This is awesome. Hey, thank y'all very much. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Good morning.
Yes,
My
ma'am.
name is Shannon Nova, and I'm with Friends of Palmetto Island State Park. I'm also here to tell you about an event for Latanier Cookers. We have a fantastic Dutch oven gathering coming up in November. It's the second Saturday. I believe it's November 10th. You need to break out your black pot and come out and cook with us. We're having what we call pork in the park. Friends of Palmetto Island are going to furnish cochon de lait, and the Dutch oven group is going to have over 100 pots of Dutch oven dishes for you to try. We'll have live music, so bring your lawn chair and come spend the day with us.
Don't forget to subscribe, and you got your thumbs up. Aye, oh, yes.